Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 70, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications, or more like toggles, by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like I just did. And then in this panel right here, swipe down on it as well and look for the hotspot toggle. For me, it is right over here. Once you see yours, you want to hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize it. Now, even if you don't want to change any settings, you will need to navigate here, as the device will always select a randomly generated password. Without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it will be set to. Now, while you're already here, I would recommend changing that password, as it is pretty bad, as you can possibly see. Now, once you remove it, you can set up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers or both. Now, if you choose some simple password like I did, it does give me an message that it is simple. So is my memory. So I'm going to select use anyway. Anyway, from there, we can toggle it on quickly either from here. There we go. Or later on, you don't have to navigate into the settings, but you can turn it on and off from your toggle center, or however you want to call it. Now, one more thing to keep in mind is your hotspot, when enabled, will consume more of your phone's battery. So if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. So obviously, find the toggle and tap on it. And one thing to actually keep in mind here, which I just checked, for curiosity, I honestly hoped that it wouldn't be doing this, but I ought to mention it now that we know how dogshit this is. So this device apparently costs flagship price, and yet they skipped out on antennas. So when you're using your Wi-Fi, you can't use hotspot. If you enable hotspot, Wi-Fi goes bye-bye. So you can only use one at a time, because apparently a $1,000 device can't do both. This 4-year-old Huawei 5-year-old can do that. This one can't. What? Anyway, so I just wanted to kind of mention this, as some people will want to just share their hotspot and also still use Wi-Fi. It might be not very big number of people, but there is going to be a number of people that will do this. And devices also that support obviously both things at the same time will sometimes also allow you to basically proxy them. So you could use Wi-Fi that you're connected to basically send it through hotspot. So you wouldn't need to share the actual Wi-Fi password, as an example. And yeah, that's obviously not a thing right here, as you can only use one at a time. And any kind of hotspot data that you're sharing is going straight up just from your mobile network and nothing else. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. And if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.